Hey, what's up guys, Manny here from BidGo Drive, back again today with another video, this time of a 2021 Alfa Romeo Giulia that has been fully repaired. It has gone through salvage state inspection, it has passed the inspection, so we're selling it with a rebuilt title. Before we start the walk around video, I just want to show you the before pictures of this vehicle and then we'll get into the video. So let's get started. Here's the before pictures, let me go through them. As you can see, the damage was not bad at all. No airbags were deployed. The vehicle ran and drove. The interior was clean. And now we'll get to the video.
Good morning, everybody. This is a 2020 Alfa Romeo Giulia. It's a repaired collision. It had front end damage, nothing structural. We replaced the fender, a hood, front bumper cover, and headlight. All the airbags were intact. We didn't have to replace any airbags. As you can see, the work came out excellent. The lines are perfect. Really nice car. It just passed New Jersey salvage inspection. It's in excellent condition. It had a panoramic roof. It's four-wheel drive. Really nice. We'll add some of the before pictures to this video and some interior shots. There is financing available on this vehicle. There's actually financing on all the vehicles we repair and that we take through salvage inspection. We work closely with a very good bank that will finance vehicles with salvage history as long as they've been repaired properly. Thanks for watching.